Welcome to What's Good. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to upload images to Instagram using Python library instapy-cli. So first, we are going to install instapy-cli. With instapy-cli, you can publish photos and videos on Instagram without a phone. You can upload posts and even stories on Instagram. You can upload a local file or a user link. So first we are going to import and before that we are going to install it by using pip3 if you don't already have on your system. Pip3 install instapy-cli. And just hit enter. I have already on my system, so I'm just gonna import from instapy-cli, import client, and set the username to your Instagram username. This will be your username, and here password will be set to your password. And then we are going to set image path, and this will be some folder where your images are, the image you want to upload, image sample, and the caption that you want to add. Caption, image upload example. And now with the client, you can pass in username and password as CLI. And now you can just call CLI's method upload. And here you need to pass in image path, and the caption. That's it. It's very simple. You can try this script with your username and password. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.